Hello everybody and good morning. Yes, it is darn early. It's 4:53 a.m. We've got a long way to go. We're going to a place called Shelby Hamfest this morning. Greg spent the night in the guest room. I just getting the car out of the garage. It's loaded up with our Hamfest stuff. Hamfest is a amateur radio flea market. It's located in a town called Shelby. It's some 60 some miles from here, so we're heading out early. We're going to stop by and pick up Phil, and the three of us are going to breakfast, and then we're going to do the Hamfest today. And then follow it up with lunch at a place called Bridges Barbecue, a famous place in Shelby. So let's hit the road. We're burning daylight. Just added Shelby Hamfest here, just reset the trip meter. So this should show us how many miles we've driven today. Starting at 89%. Look at that, new software in a Tesla 70D, which is a 2016 version. I would bet your old fossil fuel car doesn't get an update to keep it current, even though it's 6 years old. Well, Greg, guess what? It is morning time.
It's morning time. I can't see my hand in front of my face. It's pitch black.
It is, and we are now headed over to pick up our buddy Phil. So let's hit it. Look who goes there.
It is I.
Yeah, we're here. We're at Phil's house.
Oh.
Yeah,
Done this in a while.
You haven't done this in a while. And besides, it's 5:15. Yep, 5:15. Phil's here.
He is.
Phil is here. We made it up here onto Highway 74, and we're now due east. Heading that way. Got a little ways to go. This old Model S 70D runs Autopilot 1. Anyway, it does an admirable job at nighttime, inclement weather. Here we are at the Pancake House in Shelby. Phil, are you ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Greg, are you ready?
I think I'm ready. I haven't decided yet.
I know, it's too dang early. It's only 5 after 6. We've ordered. Our goal is to eat and head over there.
The Pancake House, like right on the back of her shirt.
Yeah, see, Pancake House has been here forever. Nice little place. We're on the way to the Hamfest now. We left breakfast, and what do we see? We see a red Mach-E next to us here. See more and more of these around. It's nice to see. Getting close. We've parked our car in our spot, and the Hamfest is just coming alive. It's just a little after 7 a.m. People have set up yesterday. The Hamfest was open all day yesterday, and everybody's finally getting here. And the Hamfest is officially open, or the flea market, I should say, at 7 a.m. All right, let's go see what's going on here. Yeah, I'm just starting to walk around a little bit. It's not a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of Citizens Band gear, but I think people are waking up. Stuff here, there, and everywhere. It's okay. That's the beauty of a flea market, is you get to explore and say hi to everybody and do all those kinds of things here at the Shelby Hamfest. It is now 8:30 a.m. More people are showing up. Not a lot of folks coming though, and checking out the flea market. Flea market spaces are open, and I don't know, I just wandering around here and see what stuff I don't need is here. Yeah, under the tent here is even more vendors. It's actually a good spot if it's raining, actually. So let's check this place out. Here is an air-conditioned inside hall. There's also a horse barn, believe it or not. It's been converted. I don't think there's air conditioning in there, but it's relatively cool. Let's have a look inside here now. This is the inside air-conditioned hall. A bunch of the normal vendors that come here are here. They set up and sell trinkets, pieces, parts, those kinds of things. Way down the end is Donna and Rick. They sell all kinds of signage, badges, things like that. They're really great people. If you come to any of the events, they're usually there. This is a sign man in Louisiana. I think that's correct. This is Donna. You need a new name badge. Come and see Donna. She'll set you up with something new. Looking to the west now, there's our inside building. And this fairground's been here a long time. There's food and all kinds of things. Looking down the aisle. This is Saturday. It is 9 o'clock. And I got to tell you, I'm not sure where everybody went or is. Holy mackerel. I'd expect a heck of a lot more people. All right, well, let's have a look around here and see what stuff we can find. Look at this. We have a very nice Zenith Transoceanic. This is an all-band radio. 30 bucks, nothing working. Yeah, that's not a bad deal. This is an interesting piece. This is a Hallicrafter's Super Defiant.
Yeah, it's a basically parts.
Pretty cool. This is a very cool old radio. It's made by a company called Norelco. I don't know if it's the same that makes razors.
That works.
Yeah, it's nice. The gal here says it works. It has a little magic eye tube for tuning, and it looks like it's an all-band radio. Very good condition.
It's too hot.
It's a hot one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is interesting. This, believe it or not, is a mobile receiver and transmitter made by Gonset.
80 meter.
80 meters. That's 3.5 megahertz.
That's where I'm at anyway.
Well, yeah. Well, that's where it is.
3885 is what I use that one on.
Yeah.
AM bucks.
And here's the power supply, and here's the transmitter, and I think there's two,
Well, there's one.
or the receiver and a transmitter.
Yeah, this
Okay,
is
so the
receiver,
receiver
this is
here
transmitter.
and transmit there.
Power supply's right here.
And then the power supply for it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Transmit.
That's for AC, right?
Yeah.
That's right. And so those are kind of mobiles. This is a
It
early
could be.
Gonset mobile VHF radio.
Yeah, it's 2 meters.
2 meters sideband. How about that?
Yeah, it works.
Yeah,
Works pretty good. It's just you got to turn it on.
yeah, that's right.
Let it warm up about a half hour.
This is a Collins S1 series. It says S3, but the thing
It's got
should be
extra
round.
goodies on it.
Oh, it's extra goodies on that one. And here's the transmitter. And of course, you open it up and it's full of vacuum tubes. If you don't know what that is, look it up. There's, looks like power supply for the Hallicrafters here.
Yeah, and that power supply for the transmitter. This is all one piece. I mean, it's got the power supply.
Oh,
And they
yeah.
got what they call tubesters built in this thing.
AKA diodes, right?
Yeah. Well,
Get rid of the
transistors.
the tube here and replace it with a solid state part.
Yeah, that's some places the tubes work better, and some places the diodes. do
Very
better.
cool. Looks good.
It works good. I'm hoping not to sell it.
Oh yeah, well,
Well, I have to.
big high price. See?
Well, everybody says that's about a good price for those.
Yeah. Well, good luck selling that.
Well, I really don't think I won't even let selling it because that's what I use at home.
Oh, there you go. This is a Heathkit HW101 and an SB200 linear amplifier. It's for HF, covers 80 meters through 10 meters.
Where are you from? Henderson.
And it's a kit, was a kit.
Sir? What's going
Hey, they let anybody in here. What are you selling, Zach?
Just some miscellaneous junk, really.
Oh, don't say the J word. Holy mackerel, you don't want to do that. You got all kinds of little these goodies here.
Yeah. No, I just kind of got to the point of, trying to organize my shack, and it's just kind of one of those things. If you can only move the same pile of stuff around the shack. So,
That's correct. Eventually it goes out the door.
yeah, I figured that was the only way to ever get it anywhere close to organized. It's all a bunch of it. So.
Well, good. Did you have fun in Huntsville?
Yeah. Oh, I loved it.
Yeah?
That's actually my second time going to Huntsville. So,
Good. Yeah, it's neat. I like it's indoors.
yeah.
All right. Well, good luck today.
Well, thanks. Yeah. Good luck.
All right.
Sit right there.
RCA for a field code for this. Trying to find somebody to restore it. Put it electronic. And then I get the case done. The guy wants $500 for his case. Give. I think it's back there. I intend to do it. My daddy was raised.
All right, you two.
I think it does.
All right, we've got Ken and we have Tim.
How you doing, Dave?
Not bad. You guys holding down the fort here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You sell anything today?
A little bit here and
Did you?
there.
What do you got here? Oh, heat sinks.
Pick 'em up.
Cool. Are you kidding?
Thank you. Take them with you.
You know what? I have a whole garage full of stuff. But you guys know that.
Do you have any more commercial, like VHF or UHF stuff?
No, I gave it all away.
Well, I got 2 of those antennas. Do you have more?
What antennas? I gave them all away.
I got 2 VHF. I put them at a camp on
Yeah?
your repeater.
Oh, cool. Good for you. No, I gave everything away. You know that. We had an awesome lunch at Bridges and met with a bunch of our friends, and now I'm on the way home. Got about 50 or so miles to go to get to home. God. Man, I want a car like that. Anyway, if you like today's video, go ahead and click the like. And if you would, please subscribe, because as you know, I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Hope you got to see some old stuff, and take care. We've arrived back home with 33% of energy. Our trip data is 109 miles. We used 32 kilowatt hours of energy and averaged 294 watt hours per mile on our trip to Shelby.